I'm really excited for our first store in Tennessee. It's really exciting. It's store number 6.
You have a little bit of everyone in the store. It's super cool to get that Southern flair that they bring that we haven't experienced yet.
And in the Adore Me store, we try to make women feel comfortable about lingerie shopping. I think in general, lingerie shopping is a traumatic experience for women across the U.S.
No woman gets up in the morning and says, oh my God, I can't wait to get naked and try bras on.
So you have to strip down to your underpants in the fitting room. You have harsh lighting. You have imagery of really thin models in lingerie, and you know you don't look like them. And so what we're trying to create is a really fun environment, playful, comfortable for women to try on their bra and panties, find the right size. The Hamilton Place store is one of the 2 stores that has a body scanner. Basically what it does, it's really cool, is you step on it and you turn, and there are cameras that are gonna measure every inch of your body, and you can do the body scanner in an intimate setting, you do it by yourself, and in the end you have your exact bra size, your exact panty size, and your exact sleepwear size.
And that's added into our beautiful fitting room area. That's really a waiting area, a place where a customer can feel really comfortable and at ease. We can ring them up back there, we can give them, refreshments. So the thought process and the vision is for someone to come in with her girlfriends and have a great time here, and so you can come to Adore Me and have fun.
In all the Adore Me stores, we have a good representation of what we can find online. We try to represent all product categories to really show the Adore Me assortments.
The product that we have in store is so cool. We definitely have a huge array and a variety.
We have at least, 2 to 5 pairs of panties to go with every bra.
We'll have lingerie, sexier lingerie, accessories, gifting for the holiday season.
We have great casual sleepwear, we have comfy sleepwear. We also have maternity here. Some of our stores were carrying mastectomy bras. We have some great leggings, walk pop.
And as early as February, you'll find swimwear also, which is really great to have in stores from petite to plus. One of the reasons to come in a store instead of shop online is that you can interact with our sales associates who are really there to help you find the right size. We find that a lot of women, even when they think they know their size, it's actually a little bit off. So coming to the store and actually trying the product on is obviously a really big help for women.
And so when you come into the store, you not only get to see the great products that you've seen online already, but you also get to touch and feel it, and you also have people who specialize in what it is that you're buying.
We want every customer leaving the Adore Me store to feel like they found their perfect size, like they want to come back, and like they've bought lingerie, but they didn't really feel like they were buying lingerie.